Hi my dear friends, today we meet again with the new cake recipe. Today cake recipe is yogurt cake. Let me tell you what are the ingredients. Uh, we need 120 grams plain yogurt, 160 grams cake flour, 180 grams sugar, 6 egg yolks, 6 egg whites, 60 grams vegetable oil, 20 milliliters lemon, 1 teaspoonful vanilla. It's not important. First we mix 120 grams plain yogurt with 60 grams vegetable oil, and 20 milliliters lemon. Mix this. This is our yogurt mixture. I keep this side. As usual, I'm going to beat egg whites. I beat this until it's cloudy. Now I add 180 grams white sugar divided by 3 and will beat. Now I add egg yolks. I add one by one and beat. Now this is our batter. Now I add some batter to our yogurt mixture and it's like this. And add it again to our mixture. A little bit beat again. Don't beat too much. Now I am going to add flour. Also add vanilla. Now this is our yogurt cake batter. Smell is really good. Fluffy and yummy. This is yogurt. Today I will give you some surprise video. I'm going to decorate this like a Santa Claus. Make sure to watch next video. Okay, don't forget to leave your comments for us and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell icon to watch more videos.